Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to install any USB printer in a Windows 10 PC or laptop without physically connected to our printer. We are not connect our printer by USB with our PC or laptop or not power on our printer, and we are going to install our printer. First, go to your website, your printer driver official website, and download our printer driver. And this kind of the printer driver is available on the website. Download it. After that, double click on it. We are first going to see our problem. Yes, click on the yes. It's extracting and it's take few minutes. So be patient and wait for a few minutes or few seconds depending on the speed of your PC or laptop. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find install. Click accept. Next. And here we find our problem. It's asked you to connect your printer with your PC or laptop with the USB cable and power on your printer. That is the main IMP thing of this installation. If you not connect your printer with the USB, it is not going to the next step. Your installation is not done, and we are going to solve this problem. First, I cancel it. Click on exit. Click on exit. Exit from our installation. After that, go to our driver, right click on our driver. Here we find extract files. If you not install Unzip or WinRAR, then install Unzip or WinRAR for the Windows 10, and if you're using Windows 11, there is no problem. Here we find extract files. Click on extract files. Click on OK. Here we find the drivers. Double click on it, and here we find our entire driver, and .dll file is IMP for us. Close it. Now next step is install it manually. Installing the printer manually is the best and simple way in our Windows 10 PC or laptop. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new pop-up is appear on our screen. Wait for a few seconds. Here is we find new option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Minimize it or close it. Next step is here we find add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select that last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Existing port is the most IMP part in this installation. Click at here, and if you find your printer name, if you're using HP, then HP and the port name, Canon and port name. And if you not find any port name with your printer name, the next option is USB. Select any USB that you find, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, 004. Select any USB that you find. Select your USB port. Click on the next. Have a disk. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find our drivers. Double click on it, and in this location folder, we only find the file name .dll. So don't worry about this. Any file name you find, that's our 110% DLL file. From this all folders, if you not find DLL file at this point, then select, go to this all folders and find your DLL file. I find it. So click on auto run or any file name that you want. I click on auto run. Click on open, click on OK. Here we find single printer or multiple printers. If series printer, then series printer. In this case, this is my printer, HP LaserJet 1020. Select your printer name. Click on the next. Give the printer name. Give any printer name that you like and click on the next. It's installing our printer. If you want to share this printer with network, then select last option. Do not share this printer. If you not like, I don't like, so I select do not share this printer. Click on next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is go to the start and type printers and scanners and click on printers and scanners. And from this list, if you find your printer name at this point, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.